That is impressive.
You should have put some money on it.
No, he wins $1 if he makes it up.
Oh yeah, dang, I owe him $1. God. He had to remind me.
Driver? Not hard. There you go. Turn driver hard. There you go. Hang on. There you
Ooh.
go.
It's alright.
Hell yeah, wheel stand. Straighten out. Straighten out. Yeah, I gotta get a picture of that. I know.
We might need a strap on the slider.
I got you. Might need to strap you up.
Just get some people holding him down.
He's got to come up some more.
You got about 12 inches before that first pop up.
Yeah, that's not helping him.
Hey, you'll know
In the door, we're in the door.
Exactly what the undercarriage strap looks like.
That's sick.
I don't have my truck. I'd be busting the strap out for him.
Yeah.
The problem is he's got on his differential there.
Yeah, he's on the back diff. You're on your back diff. That's YouTube right there. Full-size Toyota. That's crazy. You're gonna start coming out of it here in a second. There you go. You're out of it. You're out of it. Nope. Turn passenger if you can. Woo!
He's only on one wheel. He's only on one wheel, guys.
This is crap on the top.
Hang on, stop for a second. Yeah, but for an everyday driver, dude, that's ridiculous.
He's on one wheel for like. We need to get some guys holding him down on that side.
Just back up just
No. Oh no. Oh, that rock.
Hang on a second. Hang on. You got a strap?
Yeah. Can we get some people keeping him centered?
There's another one right by your left foot.
This is like once in a lifetime type stuff.
Is that crazy? Yeah. Go ahead.
I mean, he got
Hey, Dad.
he got jacked.
Look.
I know. What about that? That's where I'm going. Oh, yeah. Try to back it up a little bit. I just want to get him back.
There you go. There you go.
Don't go anywhere.
This is pretty gnarly for pretty much like first hard trail of the year.
Alright, same as you did before. Straight. Oh, yeah, well, keep
Go.
straight. Don't go back to that rock. Come on up.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, going up here. Look at So you gotta pump this?
I'm gonna wait.
Alright, hold on. Try to back up, passenger. You jump on this, yeah. Alright. Straighten out.
I hit it too early.
Yeah. Now, turn hard driver. Hard driver. Come on up. Come on up. Straight. Straight. Come on, don't participate. Straight up. Alright, now
I thought there was no recovering from that wheel stand. That was pretty gnarly.
Kickstand. Somebody's doing a kickstand. Where's the kick?
Oh man, I'm holding the camera. You got it. Well, you might be able to watch him behind you here in a second.
Come in handy.
Alright. Get down on the way.
Yep, screwdriver, Kel.
Call me help. In there. Is he going out this way or?
He's just gonna pull it side by side, or
Kelly, how much fuel is this? Later on, brother.
Yeah, there we go.
Look at that. Turns like a tent.
you going up this way?
Alright, see ya.